People, that time of day again, we're going to do a little build. I'll flip it around and show you. We want something to put the weights on, not so much the dumbbells, but the weights, just to get them up off the floor. So I'm going to make a little rack, yay big, yay high, just on a little bit of a lean. We go leaning back to the wall. That'll be the wall down there. It's only going to be about 8 inches out from the wall, 800 high, and then about 800 between the legs, just to put maybe 3 bars on, so I can hang the weights on little pegs sticking out like that. So I've drawn on my bench, I've drawn the legs sticking out on the floor. This is coming up to the wall, so that's acting as my wall. That's going to be the lean. You see that? From the foot leaning up. I'm going to be using 40mm box section. So I've seen my lovely friend at Fabrication again. And for the little stick outs, I've got some old rebar here. So I'll be using that just to hang the weights on. So let's get cutting. I'll get all the stuff cut and then we go from there. Right, there we are. So we got our foot, our piece going up to the wall, and then obviously we'll have our bar. This is on its side now, so this got to stand up. But what I done was I used sliding bevel, set to the angle, and that worked out 10 degrees top and bottom. Obviously that's a 45 down here. I used trusty Evolution little R210 CMS. Gotta be honest, it flies through this 40mm stuff really good. So far, really impressed. So yeah, I've cut enough for the 2 legs, and I've got 2 bars. I do want 3, so I'll have to see Mr. Nice Man at Fab again and get another piece of box. I got to cut the rebar then to what length I want, but I'm going to do that to the individual stack of plates, because I'm only going to do 2 plates per stick out bar, if that makes sense. So I'm going to clean these edges up now with the disc, and then we can get ready for some tack welding. And I want to tack it together first before I finish welding, just see how it goes, because obviously that's going to lean back on the foot, and then we may have a plate by there that I can just attach to the wall, or I could move that foot forward. We'll see. There you are. Stay tuned. Right, so we're looking down on it at the moment. If you imagine, that's going to be stood up. That's the top, that's the feet, and the weights are running across. So I'm just placing my weights out to see what kind of spacing I want. I'm kind of happy with that. So I'll have my 7.5s along the bottom. I got a pair of 6s, then 2 5s, then 2.5s, and I think it's 1.25s then. Yeah, so I'll mark those. I'll transfer those to there. That one's already tacked in, and we'll go from there. There she is with the plates on. All plated up. I put the feet up onto some little rubbers. And then she's in the corner, stacked out of the way, ready to go. So, thank you very much for watching, people. Catch you on the next one.